Hold on, let me pull them out.
Pull them out.
No, that's not, you know what?
Pull them out. We went,
hold on. Got it? Nice fish, dude. It's nice fish.
There she is.
Keep moving on, go.
There she is.
Okay.
There she is. This is the video right now. What the fuck's going on right now?
No, they're...
What are you doing right now? You guys?
Oh, I didn't see.
Well,
That's a good looking fish, dude. What do you think? What are you doing with them?